How to do a sealed system repair using Vulcan lock ring couplers. For the required tools, please consult your local LG representative. Always wear gloves and put on safety goggles. R600A is highly flammable. Replace the compressor and dryer. Clean all tubes radial to avoid grooves. Use abrasive fleece or sandpaper grit 120. Cut the compressor pipes close to the compressor connections. Use an adjustable mini tube cutter for a clean cut without squeezing the pipe. In tight assembly areas, use tube cutting pliers instead. Remove the dryer holder to create space for removing the compressor. Remove the ground wire and all 4 mounting brackets. Remove the PTC cover and the connector. Be careful when removing the compressor. Keep it horizontal to prevent oil spill. Use a capillary tube cutter and cut the pipe in a 45-degree angle. If needed, gently bend the pipes. Deburr the sharp edges. Measure the pipe dimensions to select the correct Vulcan connectors. Reuse the damper from the old compressor. Make sure the compressor is positioned well on the rubber dampers. Apply all the mounting brackets. Leave the rubber caps on as long as possible to prevent air and moisture from entering. Position the pipes straight towards each other. You need roughly 2 cm on each end to be able to fully insert the Vulcan connector. Remove the compressor caps. Apply lock prep and make sure to stay around 1 cm from the pipe end to avoid that it gets in the pipe. Insert the lock ring as far as it will go. Rotate the connector 360 degrees to evenly distribute the lock prep. After adding the lock prep, assemble within 1 minute. Make sure that the hand tool jaws completely cover the connector. Stabilize one side of the tool with your body. Press with the other hand. Make sure the lock ring is securely tightened. Follow the same steps. Do not apply lock prep at the pipe end. Insert and rotate the connector and assemble within 1 minute. Bend the charging tube at this point. When connected to the compressor, this is not possible anymore without the risk of leaks. Apply the charging tube, clean it, apply lock prep, bring the tube into an accessible position and press the lock rings together. Mount the ground wire, the compressor connector and the compressor cover. Always make sure the dryer packing is sealed. If already open, do not use. Check the direction arrow on the dryer. The arrow points to the capillary tube connection. The dryer pipe should measure 4 mm. In case a type with thicker end is supplied, cut it on both sides. Clean the tube and if needed, gently straighten the pipe. Insert the capillary tube connector over the pipe so it sticks out between 1 and 2 centimeters. Bend the capi so the connector cannot move any further. If needed, cut the pipe ends and deburr the sharp edges. Ensure the correct direction of the dryer. First, connect the hotline side of the dryer. Before connecting the capillary side, first test if the dryer is not blocked. After plugging in the power, wait until the compressor starts. Unplug the power. Bring the connector towards the pipe end to apply a lock prep on the correct location. Push the connector towards the bended side and rotate to distribute the lock prep. Insert the capillary pipe end through the dryer and make sure no lock prep enters the capillary tube. Push the connector and capillary pipe so the dryer pipe end pushes to the middle of the connector. Rotate the connector to distribute the lock prep on the dryer side too. Observe the lock prep curing time before gently bending the pipes.